Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Savanthi, respected Environment Minister Sri Alexio Sequeira, distinguished representatives from Leibniz Sea Research Institute, Warnemuende, Germany, namely Professor Dr. Oliver Selinski, Professor Dr. Hans Bouchard, Professor Dr. Joanna Wanik, Dr. Ralph Prion, Dr. Brownwin Cahill, Dr. Manika Chowski, Dr. Miriam von Thenen, and Dr. Janika. My dear colleagues from various schools on campus, Executive Council, esteemed Executive Council members, students, media personnel, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you, and I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this state of Goa, especially the delegation from Germany and to the university. It's my distinct honor and privilege to welcome each one of you to this momentous occasion, the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between Goa University and Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, Germany. Today we embark on a new chapter of international collaboration and scientific exploration with a focus on the critical and forward-looking theme of blue water economy. At the heart of this partnership lies a shared vision to advance research and innovation in key areas such as fisheries, sensor development, numerical simulation, and marine microbiology. These domains not only hold academic and scientific significance, but also resonate deeply with the socio-economic and environmental priorities of our coastal state of Goa and beyond. Our collaboration with the Sea Research Institute, a leader in ocean science and technology, presents an incredible opportunity to harness global expertise and cutting-edge technologies. Together, we aim to contribute to sustainable ocean practices, enhance marine biodiversity conservation, and support the livelihoods of communities dependent on marine resources. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister and the Environment Minister of Goa for gracing this occasion. I would also like to express, Honorable CM, I would like to also express my gratitude to Honorable CM on behalf of the entire fraternity of Goa University to institute visiting chair professorship at Goa University. And I'm extremely happy to inform you, sir, that Professor Hans Bouchard, who is sitting at, on the dais, is going to be the first visiting chair professor, and who will be on campus for a period of 3 months to train both theoretically and hands-on in numerical simulation of Earth system. This would open up a window for the academicians of Goa University and those across the state of Goa to get trained in numerical simulation or modeling, one of the important tools for climate sciences. This is a unique opportunity to entire fraternity of academicians in Goa to interact with one of the best modelers of the world in the form of Professor Hans Bouchard. Honorable CM, your continued support and guidance have always inspired us to align our academic and research initiatives with the developmental and ecological goals of the state. In spite of your hectic schedule, you find time and grace the function itself speaks volume about your interest in research, especially promoting research through various schools of Goa University. This MoU is not merely a document. It's a promise to promote scientific excellence, drive innovation, and make meaningful continuous contribution to society. Through collaboration, we'll offer tremendous learning opportunities for our students and researchers, equipping them to address global marine challenges with local solutions. For the sake of German colleagues, I would like to inform that today the whole country celebrate as a science day to commemorate the remarkable discovery of Raman effect. Raman effect is a phenomenon of light scattering that provides insight into the molecular composition of materials. He has earned a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. It's a coincidence that Professor Oliver Zelinsky is working on optical oceanography. Perhaps he has worked a lot on Raman scattering. I take this opportunity to thank all those who have worked tirelessly to bring this partnership to fruition, from our dedicated faculty and administrative staff to our esteemed colleagues from the CE Research Institute. Your vision and perseverance have laid the foundation for what I am confident will be a highly productive and impactful collaboration. As we proceed with the formal signing of the MoU, let us reaffirm our commitment to fostering knowledge, preserving our marine ecosystem, and building a sustainable and resilient blue economy. Thank you all once again for being here today. Let us look forward to a partnership that not only benefits our institutions but also makes a lasting difference in the world of ocean research and beyond. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Goa, Jai Barekaru.
Shared commitment to creating new opportunities for academic exchange, fostering groundbreaking research, and building a deeper relationship between our institutions.
Come to our chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Savanji, respected Honorable Minister of Environment, Captain of Ports, Law and Judiciary and Legislative Affairs, Shri Alexia Sequeira. We are also honored to have with us the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Senior Professor Harilal B. Menon, and Professor Dr. Oliver Zelinsky, Director of Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, Germany. Professor Dr. Hans Burchard, the research delegates from the IOW, Registrar of Goa University, Professor Sundar Dhuri, deans, vice deans, faculty members, officers of the Goa University, and dear students. As the Director of the Directorate of Research Development and Research Mobilization, I am privileged to present a brief overview of the Memorandum of Understanding which is going to be signed today between Goa University and Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, Germany. On this auspicious National Science Day, we gather to celebrate the spirit of innovation, discovery, and scientific progress. Today, we commemorate the past achievements and chart a new pathway for a brighter future. With great enthusiasm, Goa University and IOW come together to sign this Memorandum of Understanding. The MoU, entitled Comparative Interdisciplinary Research on Variability and Trends in Estuary and Coastal Water, a holistic view on regional shallow water, focuses on nurturing collaboration that advances academic and research goals by encouraging interaction among teachers, scientific personnel, and students. The MoU identifies shared research interests in coastal, marine, and estuarine system, as well as coordinated research activities that align with the research objectives of both the institute. The Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, abbreviated as IOW, specializes in the interdisciplinary study of the coastal, oceans, and marginal seas, focusing on the Baltic Sea. It explores key processes across scales and boundaries, coastal seas in transition, and emerging technologies enabling advancement in marine sciences. Goa University, a higher education and learning center, explores estuarine and coastal waters to provide a citizen-centric, holistic overview of marine habitats. Its research objectives include improving carbon transport pathways using coupled physico-chemical optic models and remote sensing to study estuaries and coastal waters and improve existing and develop new technologies to explore marine habitats. The multidisciplinary research conducted by Goa University and IOW is centered on working together to increase our understanding of coastal and estuarine waters, identifying and measuring how coastal and estuarine water responds to the effect of climate change, and it is one of the joint objectives of both the institute. The vulnerability and the resilience of the coastal water, the response of the shallow water system to climate change, biogeochemical changes, and ecosystem services are among the primary research objectives of the MoU. The collaborative activities will include supporting reciprocal research visits, joint research proposals, high caliber scientific publication, joint workshops, information transfer, and enhancing research capability. The partnership will drive the development and application of advanced technologies such as in situ optics, remote sensing, autonomous vehicles, enhancing the study and management of coastal and estuarine environment. The partnership aims to improve understanding of coastal and estuarine system, guiding better management and conservation practices. Annual reports will document progress and achievements, guiding future research direction. To lessen the negative consequences of human activity and climate change, Goa University and IOW are working together to improve our knowledge and ability to manage coastal and estuarine system. By addressing issues like overfishing, tourism impacts, and pollution, thereby ensuring the sustainability of the local industries. The research aims to protect and restore marine habitats, benefiting biodiversity and ensuring the long-term health of the coastal ecosystem. The collaboration will also improve public health by reducing the waterborne diseases and other health issues related to environmental degradation. The partnership will also focus on community engagement and education, providing educational programs, training resources, and awareness campaigns. Coordinated efforts to solve environmental and socio-economic concerns in coastal regions will be made easier by the partnership, strengthening relationship between local researchers, policymakers, and community leaders, developing innovative solutions and increasing resilience to climate change. By achieving this outcome, the partnership between Goa University and IOW will significantly contribute to understanding and managing coastal and estuarine environments in Goa and Baltic Sea. All things considered, the collaboration between Goa University and IOW has the potential to significantly improve local community sustainability, resilience, and standard of living over the next decade. This MoU marks a pivotal milestone, a binding commitment to collaboration, innovation, and mutual progress. Our partnership encapsulates a shared vision forged through dedication and a profound sense of purpose. The MoU between Goa University and IOW is a testament to what we can achieve when we pool our resources and align our goals. It underscores the power of unity and the boundless potential that arises from synergistic effort. The signing of this MoU marks a significant milestone in our collective efforts to push the boundaries of knowledge and technology. Goa University is excited to work with IOW, leveraging our combined expertise to tackle complex problems and create meaningful solutions. So let us move forward with a shared vision and a commitment to excellence. Thank you very much.
Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawan, respected Minister of State of the Environment, Sri Alexio Sequeira, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Goa University, Professor Harilal Menon, thank you. Registrar Professor Sundar Duri, Director RDRM, Professor Sanjeev Gadi, and deans and faculty members of Goa University, scholars and students. First of all, I want to express my sincere gratitude for welcoming us here so warm, and that we are really looking forward to this exchange of scientific perspectives over the next days and really unfold our potential of collaboration over the upcoming years. Before I return or look into the specific collaboration between Goa University and IOW, allow me a bit of a broader perspective. India and Germany enjoy a very strong and long-lasting bilateral partnership for over 60 years. In 2022, this cooperation was further deepened through a partnership for green and sustainable development signed by India's Prime Minister Modi and Germany's Chancellor Scholz. It's no exaggeration to say that India has been and remains a key partner for Germany over all these years. And this is also reflected in the strong collaboration that we have within the framework of G20. This brings me back to the focus of our collaboration, the ocean and coast. In 2022-23, India and Indonesia initiated a concept of Oceans 20. That means, or abbreviated as O20, that means the concept of putting the ocean and the coast into the focus of G20 work. That was officially launched last year in Brazil. And it underlines the pivotal role that oceans and coasts play in planetary health, but also in human well-being. Today, here in Goa, we are part of that movement. Our goal is to align our expertise, advance marine science and technology, strengthen the exchange between the next generation of researchers, and generate a lasting impact that benefits both our country and our local communities. What once began as a friendship of two young men in Hamburg, Professor Menon and Professor Burcher, 30 years ago, has now grown into a thriving scientific collaboration, one that we are proud to reinforce today. So once again, I really like to express my appreciation for the warm hospitality that we receive. We look forward to this productive exchange and a new era of opportunities for students and colleagues on both sides. And indeed, as Professor Menon already mentioned, I'm an optical oceanographer or optical physicist. So with respect to Raman and its inelastic scattering, especially in the water, the Raman peak, I'd like to quote that Raman said, "Science is a language that transcends boundaries. It is a universal tool for understanding the world." I wish everybody a happy Science Day. Dhanyawad.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Vice Chancellor, Goa University, Dr. Menon, Dr. Oliver, Dr. Hans, Dr. Dooley, members of the delegation, eminent researchers from the Leibniz Institute of Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende. In case I murdered the name, forgive me for that. Eminent educationists, members of the Executive Committee of Goa University, students, ladies and gentlemen. It is a privilege to stand before you on this significant occasion as we mark the signing of an MoU between Goa University and the renowned Leibniz Institute of Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, or IOW as they are known, Germany. This partnership is not merely a formal agreement, but a beacon of hope and progress in the realm of marine and environmental sciences. This collaboration today focuses on critical themes by addressing the overall health and state of coastal and estuarine waters, which will hold immense promise for sustainable development and ecological conservation. The researchers from various schools of Goa University and departments of IOW will be working under different themes for the sustenance of blue economy in coastal waters through different perspectives such as coastal optics and remote sensing, sediment transport and numerical modeling, microbiology, marine microplastics, development of sensors, and integration of artificial intelligence and ecosystem services. Coastal optics plays a vital role in understanding the interactions between light and coastal waters. With advanced optical technologies, we can study water quality, assess sediment movement, and monitor pollutants. These insights will help us develop strategies to protect our fragile coastal ecosystems whilst maintaining the economic vibrancy of our coastal communities. Numerical simulations of coastal waters is yet another powerful tool. Through sophisticated computation models and integration of satellite and in situ data, we can predict coastal erosion, assess the impacts of climate change, and optimize marine resource management. These simulations will not only guide our policy decisions, but also prepare us for natural calamities, ensuring the safety and resilience of our coastal regions. The blue economy is a concept that intertwines economic growth with ocean sustainability. It encourages us to harness marine resources for economic gain whilst preserving biodiversity and ensuring an ecological balance. This MoU will enable us to explore new opportunities in sectors such as biotechnology, renewable energy, and eco-friendly tourism, ultimately contributing to job creation and regional prosperity. Fisheries, a lifetime and tradition for many Goans, stands to benefit immensely from this initiative. By combining scientific research with cutting-edge technology, we can promote sustainable fishing practices, improve aquaculture techniques, and enhance sectoral productivity. Our mission extends beyond economic benefits to securing the long-term health of our marine ecosystem. It is with pride that I would say that our Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, has set out a goal which is before all of us Indians. It is his desire and his ambition to ensure that India grows to the third largest economy in the world. Having said that, he is also particular that whilst we achieve this economic growth, we do not compromise on the environment, and he is sensitive also to the present climate changes that are taking place across India. Our Chief Minister, as part of this initiative, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has also undertaken a study or entrusted a study to Deltaris from Netherlands, erosion issues that we face in Goa. This is just one of the issues at these initiatives that have been undertaken. Many more studies are being done through various bodies that we have, be it the Wetland Authority, be it the Goa Biodiversity Board. All these bodies have been entrusted tasks to study the effects of climate change, the effects of erosion, etc. The ultimate goal is not only economy, but also ensuring that through undertaking measures of climate change, we ensure that the economy simultaneously grows. The partnership that we are, through this MoU that we are signing today, will not only provide our students and researchers with international exposure and advanced training, but also build bridges of knowledge and technology transfer. It will position Goa as a leader in marine research and innovation, contributing meaningfully to both national and international goals for a sustainable development. I assure you that the government of Goa stands fully committed to supporting this initiative. We will provide the necessary infrastructure, funding and policy, of course with the approval of Dr. Pramod Sawangi. But in short, what would I like to say? That we will work hand in hand with you all. For at the end of the day, it is our endeavor, and I will assume yours too, to ensure that we preserve Goa, to ensure that we undertake whatever is necessary with modern technology, which we would be learning from IOW. Having said that, I'm also sure that IOW might have selected Goa University because they know that Goa University too has undertaken studies, and therefore I believe it's going to be an exercise for mutual study. Conditions prevailing here, conditions prevailing in Germany. Jointly they would come out with their ultimate report, which we would all be looking forward to. As I conclude, I would like to emphasize once again that the MoU is a promise to our environment and to future generations. It is a step towards a harmonious balance between economic growth and ecological preservation. Let us therefore work together to transform this vision into a reality, creating a legacy of sustainability, prosperity, and innovation. I thank the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Menon, for having invited me today and thus giving me the privilege of being in the midst of you eminent researchers, scientists, and educationists. Thank you very much.
सगळ्यात पहिली सायन्स डेच्यो तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक खूब खूब शुभेच्छा. CV रामन हांकां आमी सगळे जाण आज याद करता. हाच्या खासा सुवाळ्याक सुरवात करच्या पयलीं ज्या मोगाळ भयणींनी सुंदर अशें नृत्य सादर केलें तांच्या खातीर नेटान एकदां ताळयो वाजोवप. ज्यांच्यांनी स्वागत गीत सादर केलें तें सुद्दां ब्लू इकॉनॉमी रिलेटेड आशिल्लें तांच्याय खातीर नेटान ताळयो वाजोवप. The signing of MoU between Goa University and Leibniz Institute of Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, Germany. For हाच्या खासा सुवाळ्याक आमच्या मदीं हजर आसात आमचे एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर मिस्टर अलेक्स सिक्वेस, त्याच बरोबर प्रोफेसर ओलिव झेलिन्स्की, ताज्या उपरांत प्रोफेसर हान्स, ताज्या उपरांत आमचे वायस चान्सलर श्री मेनन, मिस्टर धुरी आनी घाडी. Okay, honored guest, respected scholar, esteemed faculty, the ladies and gentlemen. It gives me the great joy and pride to be the part of this important event. Today we are witnessing the signing of Memorandum of Understanding between Goa University and Leibniz Institute of the Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, Germany. This collaboration is an essential step towards exploring and expanding the blue economy through pioneering research, innovation, and global partnership. This MoU is designed to enhance the knowledge, to promote technology advances, and fostering the innovative solutions in the critical areas such as blue water economy, sensor development, and numerical simulation. It reflects the forward-thinking vision to protect and sustainability, utilize the ocean resource while creating the opportunities for economic growth and environmental conservation. Goa's deep connections with the oceans. as we all know, Goa as a coastal state has always been shared the rich and long-standing relationship with sea. Maritime heritage, fisheries, tourism, and marine enterprises are the integral part of our society and economy. As we evolve, and we must move from the traditional method of resource use to more sustainable and technological advanced practices. The blue economy focuses on sustainably using ocean resource and for the economic growth, improved livelihood and ecosystem health. It includes the various sectors, the fisheries and aquaculture, enhancing the food security and livelihoods. Marine biotechnology, developing new product and medical innovation from marine resources. Coastal tourism, ensure the tourism is both profitable and environmental responsible. Marine renewable energy, harnessing the energy from waves, tides and offshore winds in a sustainable manner. The role of the sensor technology. The sensor technology is the backbone of our modern scientific and industrial applications. The real-time data collection from sensor helps us the monitoring marine biodiversity and detect the change in ecosystem. Analyze the ocean conditions such as temperature, the currents and water quality. The develop early warning system for the natural disaster or environmental hazards. This innovation leads to more precise and efficient decision making. The importance of the numerical modeling. The modeling involves the using advanced computer simulations to study and predict marine ecosystem and ocean behavior. It helps us forecast weather, the pattern and ocean movements, optimize the resource management for fisheries, coastal zones and marine infrastructure. The plan better for the disaster preparedness and environmental conservation. This partnership between Goa University and leading German research institute unites the technical experts, innovative research and global perspectives. Our students and research scholars will benefit greatly through international exposures and cultural exchange. The joint research project that opens the new possibilities, access to cutting-edge scientific resource and facilities. These collaborations also strengthens Goa's role in contributing to global marine research and sustainable solution. The government's commitment on behalf of the government of Goa, I assure you for our unwavering support for these initiatives. We are committed to providing necessary resource and policy framework to encourage the research and innovation, collaborative efforts in scientific explorations. Our aim is to build the strong ecosystem that promotes sustainability, innovations, and economic progress. In conclusion, today's MoU is much more than a signed document. It is a commitment to share the vision of thriving and sustainable blue economy. Through this landmark partnership, we will set an example in responsive resource management, lead the way in technological advancement for marine research, ensure that our oceans remain healthy and productive for future generations. Let us work hand in hand, academia, industry, government and international partners, shape to the legacy of sustainability, progress and scientific excellence. हे सगळें सोपयता आसतना हांव मुद्दामून अनेक मेन्शन करतलो. विकसीत भारत 2047चे स्वप्न साकार करता आसतना ब्लू इकॉनॉमीक व्हडलो रोल आसा आनी ह्या ब्लू इकॉनॉमीचेर उलयता आसतना गोंयांत अशा पद्दतीची म्हाका दिसता 5 रिसर्च इन्स्टिट्यूट आसा. स्टुडंट्सां पैकी कोणी सांगू शकता आसत जाल्यार 5 पैकी 1-2 नांवां सांगची. तो तुमचो टायअपूय आसा. हांव अशें म्हणना युनिवर्सिटीचो तेंच्या कडेन टायअपूय आसा बिकॉज कित्याक आमी जो पर्यंत वोकल फॉर लोकल उलयना पळय न्ही तो पर्यंत जावचें ना. यू हॅव टू टॉक वोकल फॉर लोकल एंड देन वोकल फॉर ग्लोबल. आमी आज ग्लोबली MoU सायन करता आसत जाल्यार आमकां गोंयांत कसलेली रिसर्च इन्स्टिट्यूट खबर आसप गरजेची आसा. एनी वन फ्रॉम स्टुडंट सायड, आय एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर द टिचर्स. हांव तांकां विचारता, आय एम नॉट अ प्रोफेसर, आय एम द सायन्स स्टुडंट, आय एम नॉट अ रिसर्चर. NIO कोण तो उबो राव? नाही उबो राव मरे, बरोबर आसा तुजें. कोण उबो रावलो तो? ताका ताळयो मारा सगळे जण. नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफी, which is the institute आजूय बी थंयसर रिसर्च करपाक, PhD करपाक स्कॉलर्स फ्रॉम द ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया त्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनान येता आनी रिसर्च करता वेगवेगळ्या. दुसरें इन्स्टिट्यूट खंयचें? खंयचें सांग. अच्छा, it is a national center for polar oceanography center. ओके, कोण कोण गेला, विजिट केला कोणी? हात वयर करचो. 1 2 3 तरी बरेच गेल्या. व्हेरी गुड. हांव स्वता गेला. कोणी एक्सपिरियन्स केला अंटार्क्टिका वचपाक? एटलिस्ट हांव म्हणटा फील कोणी केला काय म्हणटा? एनीवन हॅज फील म्हणजे तो क्लायमेट आणि एनवायरमेंट कसो आसतलो? कोणी तो? एस एस उबे राव, उबे राव. तू वचून राहिला का? ओके, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. सगळ्यांना ताळयो मारा. इट्स ट्रू. म्हणजे आमचे एक युनिव्हर्सिटी स्टुडंट जर असत तर आम्ही ओके, शीज टीचर. ओके ओके, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. नेक्स्ट, आणि खंयचे इन्स्टिट्यूट खबर आसप गरजेचें आसा म्हणून हांवें विचारना. आनी काय ना, अदरवायज हांव पयलीं म्हणटा आय एम नॉट अ प्रोफेसर. हांवें इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टुडंट्सांक आसप हें गरजेचें आसा. वीच आनी एक आसा खंयचे वीच म्हाका ना जाल्यार टिचरांक विचारचें पडटलें. ICR कोणी म्हटलें आत्तां? कोणी म्हटलें तोच उबो राव, वगीच उबो राव नाका. कोणी म्हटलें ICR? कोणी म्हटलें?
तेणेच
वायस चान्सलर गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी येतात. ओके, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन ICR. नेक्स्ट, आणि एक आसा ICRन विजीट कोणी केला? खूप जाणांनी केला. व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी गुड. हांव रेग्युलर ICRन वचपी, नॉट एज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर बट एज अ स्टुडंट म्हणूनूय ICRन वचपी. हांव आमदार जावच्या पयलीं गेला थंयसर. जाल्यार बरेच जाण म्हणटाले तुका आपयता आसतले गॅस्ट म्हणून वता म्हणून. नॉट एज अ गेस्ट बट टू सी एज अ ICR वॉट इट इज. आमदार जावच्या पयलीं गेल्लो आनी नाव आय एम रेग्युलरली विजिटींग द ICR. दे आर डुईंग वेरियस रिसर्च in agriculture, animal, on various sectors they are doing the research. Okay, and which is an coastal institute for the agriculture research in various sectors. त्यांच्यानी स्पेशली रिसर्च गोंया खातीर खंयचो जर केला आसत, which is on a कपिला गायचे तेंच्यांनी रिसर्च केला, which is our own breed. They are doing the research. आनी खंयचे इन्स्टिट्यूट आसा? आनी खंयचे आसा बेगीन? आनीकूय इन्स्टिट्यूट आसा. बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर, न्यूली वन इन्स्टिट्यूट हॅड स्टार्टेड इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. टिचरांक सांगचें पडटलें आतां. आयुष म्हणा नाव. आयुष हांव जाणा. बीइंग अ आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर आय नो. आनी आयुष इज नॉट डुईंग द रिसर्च इन द ब्लू इकॉनॉमी. आय एम टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट द ब्लू इकॉनॉमी.
वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स.
वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स कोणी म्हटलं?
रिपोर्टर तो.
रिपोर्टरान म्हटलंय. त्याच्या खातीर ताळयो वाजयल्या. नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ द वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स इट इज इन दोनापावला. खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात डिप्लोमा, डिग्री, डिफरंट कोर्सेस अँड इट इज अगेन रिलेटेड टू द ब्लू इकॉनॉमी. Again related to the blue economy. It is a national institute of the water sports. आणि एक उरलें लास्ट ते सांगता आनी हांव सोंपयता म्हाजें भाशण. ONGC सरान सांगलें, मिस्टर वेरेकर सर, ताच्या खातीरूय ताळयो मारा. ऑफकोर्स ONGC फॉर द लास्ट खबर ना जाल्यार सांगता हांव. लास्ट ONGCचो इट इज ऑल टुगेदर सेमिनार कितें म्हणटालो तो? वॉट सेमिनार? लास्ट टायम ऑर्गनायज ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर हॅव विजिटेड international convention. Yeah, international convention in blue economy only. ONGC has organized and approximately the 35 countries have visited for the last seminar. Honorable Prime Minister has inaugurated that आणि 35 countries people and everything is related to the blue economy. Everything. म्हणजे गोंयांत येदी व्हडली ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी तुमच्या खातीर अवेलेबल आसा. म्हाका दिसता ताजोय फायदो सगळ्या जाणांनी घेवपाक जाय आनी हो जर फायदो घेतलो आसत जाल्यार ताजो आमकां खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात फायदो जावपाक शकता. अँड एट लास्ट द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवाचे एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट खूब बरें काम करता बायोडायवर्सिटी आणि तितूंतल्या तितूर वीच इज एन बायोडायवर्सिटी 25 wetland we have already identified, we have notified. First one, again this is a wetland subject is related to the blue economy. Voice subject तुमचो blue economy कडे related आसा म्हणून हांव आयचो जो MoU सायन केला ताज्या बद्दल कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता. बट युनिवर्सिटीन थोडे एग्रीमेंट हांच्या बरोबर सायन केला आसतले. आय थिंक ONGC बरोबर ना जाल्यार ONGC बरोबर तांच्यांनी सायन करचो. ऑल्सो दे कॅन सायन with our environment department which is doing the good work in environment. आज हांवें फक्त बायोडायवर्सिटीचो आमचो बूक हाडला which I am one giving for the professor from the Germany and one for the Menon also. For the 2 books I am handovering of the biodiversity for the university on the science day which is very much useful. तुम्ही कोणी अजून पळोवंक ना आसतले कारण सरकारूय खूब बरें काम करता. हे युनिवर्सिटीकूय कळपाक जाय. जॉयंट कोलॅबोरेशन आसत जाल्यार खूब बरें जातलें. हांव इतकेंच सांगता आनी परत एकदा सायन्स डेच्यो तुमकां खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दिता आनी म्हाजें भाशण सोंपयता. जय हिंद, जय भारत.